Good afternoon, everyone. It's time to end this war. Yes, that's the reaction of Hamas. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Friday, May the 31st, 2024. Last day of the month, May. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars, and the killer Sudoku. We have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not all. Too much for me, time consuming. We have here the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 star Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve. Instead of the 3 stars, I will do the 2 stars. Why? Well, this one has 24 printed digits. This one has 27. So I think the publisher has published a wrong indication. Alright, that's in the evening. But let me start with these 3 regular puzzles. The first one, the 3 stars Sudoku. This will be number 8630. 8630. Okay, let me zoom this. Position. And I can start. Yes. This one, 8630. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 27, this one. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 27. 2 digits more. Should be a 1 star. 1 star puzzle. Need to be faster than 50 minutes. But it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 1 star puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me zoom this again. Okay. Which number can we pick? Pick. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next, so last column. Only 3 places left for 4 should be here, or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in that row, no 4 there. So the only place left for 4 should be there. 5, 5. Then, let me see. How about the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 2, 2. Need a 4 here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, there are only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 in the second row, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in the row below, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 8 in this column, third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. Alright. And now. The 9 in the third column, the 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be here. 5, 5, okay. Number the 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the third column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have a 3 in the last row, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Shoo-ba-dam. 5 in the last row. 5 in the row above, so in that row. Only place left for 5. Shoo-ba-dam. 5 in this column, third column. 5 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only place left for 5. Shoo-ba-dam. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. And look, we have 1 and 2 in this row. So no 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be in, a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be in, a 3 goes there. Alright, and now. And now. 3, 3. How about 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. One, 6, 8. And now. How about the 3 here? 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. From the first row, the only place left for 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have 2 now in the first column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then, and all the 2's are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 2. How about the 5 in this column? The 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5. Okay, cannot continue with 5. How about 1 box left in the second column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3 cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and 7 is missing. 6 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, and now. 99. Okay. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. And we have a pair now. We have a 9 and a 5 in this row. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes and a 5 in the row below. So in the third row, the only 3 places left for the 9 and 5 goes in these 3 boxes. 9 and 5, 9 and 5, 9 and 5. And look, we have 9 and 5 in the last column, so no 9 and 5 in this box. 9 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and 5, okay. Then. How about? Do we have all the 4s? And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Yes, digit number 2, number 4. How about the 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in the middle row, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 8, 8. So we have 8 here or 8 there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be in and 9 goes there. 9 and a 5. We have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column. Last column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 5. How about the 9s? Nope. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Okay. Yeah. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. Alright. Then need a 6 here. Need a 8 here. Need a 6 also. Need a 7. Alright. Come on. We have a pair again. The 1 and 8 in this column. The 1 and 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 1 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and 8, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. And look, we have 1 and 8 in this row. So no 1 and 8 in this box. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Okay, so 2 numbers are left in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Okay. 3 and a 7. Well, in this row we have 3 missing numbers. 6, 7, 3, 7. That means here 3, 6, 7 are left in the third row. 3, 6, 7. And look, we have 3 and a 7 in the last column. So no 3, 7 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 6. 6 and 7, we have a 6 now in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. 3 or 7, we have a 7 now, so this box should be a 3. 3 or 7, we have a 3 now, so this box should be a 7. And I've eliminated there the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes, elevator 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. I believe it's 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left with 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row from the first row. The only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square. For the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and 8, we have a 1 in this second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes and there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next, on that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. And the final two numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 in the 7, 6 in the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there, finish in 15 minutes. Well, maybe I talk too much. Not quite faster than 15 minutes. Well. Anyway, we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other two regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.